Disabling automatic restrictions on Snapchat can help enhance your user experience by allowing more freedom in your interactions. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can find various settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. This is where you can manage your account preferences and privacy settings. Step 4. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll down to the Who Can section in the Settings menu. Here, you will find options related to your privacy and how others can interact with you on Snapchat. Step 5. Adjust restrictions. Look for options like who can contact me and who can view my story. Change these settings to your preference, allowing more access to your friends or followers as needed. Make sure to save any changes you make. By following these steps, you can effectively disable automatic restrictions on Snapchat, allowing for a more personalized experience. Remember to review your settings periodically to ensure they align with your preferences.